Are you in search of ways to earn money online? Have you ever imagined getting paid for something as effortless as watching videos? Well, the good news is that now you can. Discover the world of online earnings by watching videos and monetize your screen time. With a plethora of opportunities available on the internet, you can turn this simple activity into a profitable endeavor. Among the various options, watching YouTube videos to earn cash rewards has emerged as a popular choice. This outstanding opportunity doesn't require any investment or specialized skills. So, why wait? Dive into this incredible chance to make money online from the comfort of your home. Exploring the online money-making opportunity of watching videos. In recent years, earning money by watching videos has gained immense popularity as a reliable online income source. The surge in YouTube monetization strategies and the rapid growth of the gig economy have made it easier than ever to generate income without leaving your home. Video monetization has opened doors to countless opportunities, making it possible to earn passive income or supplement your existing earnings. Numerous platforms and websites now offer paid-to-watch options, allowing you to earn rewards for your screen time. Whether you're a student seeking simple ways to make money or someone in search of work-from-home opportunities, watching videos could be your answer. Understanding the concept of paid-to-watch videos. The concept of paid-to-watch videos involves earning money by watching videos online. It's a part of the online gig economy that's gained traction due to the rise in YouTube monetization strategies and the increasing demand for passive income avenues. This global money-making opportunity enables people from all backgrounds to earn extra income or even transition into a full-fledged remote job from the comfort of their homes. The idea is simple. Various platforms connect viewers with advertisers or content creators willing to pay for their views. These platforms offer a diverse range of videos, including ads, promotional content, movie trailers, and more. By watching these videos, you can accumulate points or cash rewards, depending on the platform. Discovering legitimate paid-to-watch opportunities. Finding legitimate opportunities to get paid for watching videos requires some research and discernment. Here are strategies to discover reliable platforms. Research trusted platforms. Begin by identifying established platforms with positive reviews and a proven track record of payments. Platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Vindale Research are popular choices. Verify user feedback. Investigate user reviews on credible online platforms or forums dedicated to online earning. Consistent complaints about delayed payments or difficulties should raise a cautionary flag. Understand terms and conditions. Thoroughly read the terms and conditions of any platform you consider. Steer clear of platforms with vague or confusing compensation structures. Seek payment proof. Legitimate platforms often share payment proof from users. Screenshots or testimonials showcasing actual payments can instill confidence in the platform's legitimacy. Sign up for multiple platforms. To optimize earnings, enroll in multiple paid-to-watch platforms. This widens your video options and increases earning potential. Maximizing earnings while watching videos. For those aiming to maximize earnings while watching videos, here are effective strategies. Opt for high-paying platforms. Different platforms offer varying rewards. Research and select platforms offering competitive compensation. Consistency pays off. Allocate dedicated daily time for watching videos to consistently accumulate rewards. Regularity is key to maximizing earnings. Complete additional tasks. Some platforms offer surveys or tasks for extra rewards. Embrace these opportunities to boost your earnings. Refer friends. Leverage referral programs to earn commissions by inviting friends to join platforms. Transform your social network into a source of passive income. Utilize multiple platforms. Don't limit yourself to one platform. Expanding your options enhances your earning potential. Enhance viewing experience. Ensure smooth video streaming by having a reliable internet connection and suitable device. Immersive viewing can reduce distractions. Understanding earning potential. Earning potential by watching videos varies based on the platform, your viewing frequency, and your investment of time and effort. Platforms offer different compensation rates per video. While it's unlikely to result in substantial income alone, combining it with other methods and tasks can increase earnings. The key is dedication and consistent effort. Pros and cons of earning through watching videos. Before embarking on this journey, consider the pros and cons. Pros. Convenient and easy, convert leisure time into income. Flexibility, choose when to watch videos. No special skills, accessible to anyone. Variety, numerous legitimate platforms are available. Cons. Limited earnings, may not provide a full-time income. Time-consuming, requires considerable time for significant earnings. Platform dependence, income relies on platform stability. Limited control, you might watch content you're not interested in. Real success stories. Sarah, a college student, turned her screen time into over $1,000 within months, covering her tuition. Mark, a stay-at-home dad, earns $500 monthly by watching videos during breaks. These stories demonstrate the potential of dedicated effort. Conclusion. Earning money online by watching videos presents a promising opportunity. While it might not make you wealthy overnight, it can certainly supplement your income. With dedication, strategy, and careful platform selection, you can transform your screen time into a profitable endeavor. So, embark on this journey and unlock the potential of watching videos for online income. The evolution of video earnings. The evolution of making money by watching videos is a testament to the ever-changing landscape of online earning. What was once a simple pastime has evolved into a global phenomenon that empowers individuals from all walks of life. This innovative approach merges technology, entertainment, and commerce, allowing you to harness your screen time for financial growth. As the online world continues to advance, video-based earnings stand as a shining example of the myriad opportunities it offers. The impact of technological advancements. Technological advancements have been instrumental in driving the concept of earning through video consumption. High-speed internet, improved streaming capabilities, and the proliferation of smartphones have collectively paved the way for this unconventional income stream. The ability to access and engage with a vast array of content seamlessly has created a ripe environment for advertisers and content creators to connect with viewers and reward them for their attention. A global phenomenon. One of the most remarkable aspects of video-based earnings is its global appeal. This opportunity transcends geographical boundaries, enabling individuals from every corner of the world to participate. Regardless of whether you reside in a bustling city or a remote village, the internet has democratized the earning landscape, bringing income-generating possibilities right to your fingertips. This inclusive nature of video earnings is a testament to the power of connectivity and the boundless potential of the digital age. Unveiling the psychology of earnings. The psychology behind earning money by watching videos is intriguing. It taps into the innate desire for financial growth and the modern concept of monetizing leisure activities. This approach blends the satisfaction of entertainment with the gratification of earning, creating a unique blend that resonates with individuals seeking flexible income streams. As you immerse yourself in videos, you're also investing your time and attention, making the rewards all the more satisfying. Elevating your online earning potential. Beyond the realm of video watching, this journey can expand into other avenues. Many platforms offer opportunities to engage in surveys, share feedback, or complete microtasks to enhance your earnings. By diversifying your approach, you're not only expanding your earning potential but also gaining a deeper understanding of the various facets of the online earning landscape. This adaptability ensures that you're making the most of your online endeavors. Embracing the mindset of an online earner. To truly succeed in the world of online earnings through video consumption, embracing the mindset of an online earner is crucial. This entails a balance of dedication, strategic thinking, and adaptability. Just as in any venture, consistency yields results. Approach your video watching routine with the same commitment you would bring to a traditional job. Set aside dedicated time, establish goals, and track your progress. This disciplined approach sets the foundation for steady income growth. Charting your path to success. Your journey toward success through video earnings is uniquely yours. It's a path that intertwines with your lifestyle, preferences, and goals. As you navigate this path, don't hesitate to seek inspiration from fellow earners. Online communities, forums, and success stories can provide insights and strategies that can elevate your earnings. Remember that success is a blend of learning, adapting, and persisting. Navigating the horizon of online earnings, unveiling the next chapter. The ripple effect of online earnings. The impact of earning money through video consumption extends beyond your personal financial growth. Navigating the horizon of online earnings, unveiling the next chapter. The ripple effect of online earnings. The impact of earning money through video consumption extends beyond your personal financial growth. This innovative approach ripples through the digital ecosystem, contributing to the broader landscape of content creation, advertising, and consumer behavior. As you engage with videos and participate in these platforms, you become an integral part of a dynamic ecosystem that shapes the future of online interactions. Fueling content creation. The symbiotic relationship between viewers and content creators is at the heart of this online earning phenomenon. By watching videos and engaging with content, you provide the fuel that propels creators to produce more captivating and engaging material. Your attention, feedback, and interaction act as catalysts for content innovation, leading to the creation of diverse and compelling videos that cater to a global audience. Empowering advertisers. Advertisers, too,